Magnetic material. Materials that can respond as either attracted or repelled to the presence of external magnetic field and can be magnetized themselves. It is determined by the magnetic dipole moment ahead with the intrinsic angular momentum. The material a means for radiating or receiving radio waves is the definition of antenna according to the IEEE standard definitions of terms for antennas. In a simpler way, antenna is the metallic device that acts as transducer for transmitting and receiving information in the Aluminium is a silvery white metal that's situated in group 13 in periodic table. It has tremendous potential as a plasmonic material and can exhibit strongly enhanced local fields due to the low screening of Al. Some of the applications where Al plasmonic nanostructures would be optimal include on-chip plasmonic. An emerging tool for the study of plasmonic nanostructures is cathodoluminescence, CL. Based on the study, the aluminum nanoantennas were fabricated by planar lithography on lightly doped 1-10 omega mil.cm, N-type silicon with 30 nanometers of thermal oxide. Hexagonal ferrites were suggested as potential candidates for multilayer ferrite inductors operating at high frequencies. It has good densification behavior at the sintering temperature, and sufficient permeability which proven and remains very perspective for solving numerous engineering problems. The magnetic properties of copper are identified by some micrographs. The saturation-specific magnetization increases with increase in the calcination temperature. The morphology and structure of the Cu-Fe2O4 samples were further considered by TEM. In TEM, the spots have said become disks whose radius are almost a few hundred nanometers at around the center of the images. To increase the magnetic properties of our synthesized copper ferrite, cubic copper ferrite should be incorporated. For ferrite, it is used for miniaturization and performance improvement of wireless multiple input multiple output (MIMO) antennas. This ferrite element can perform a better radiation and the low permeability, plus low dielectric with magnetic loss tangent. Used in digital television and mobile communications. Aluminium. Ultra-wideband (UWB) radar systems used to find destruction utility pipes. Also it can detect the breast cancer. Aluminum increase of ferromagnetic resonance line width and the change ferromagnetic saturation moment. It is suitable for antenna because it could prevent corrosion to copper, used in antenna because it is highly conductive material resulting in high gain for the performance of antenna. When antenna has higher gain it result in effective in its radiation pattern. It is used in medical imaging and localization, also handheld wireless devices. In summary, we presented a comprehensive analysis of various structure and properties of magnetic materials for antenna applications. These materials have become important and they have a multitude of uses and applications. Because copper conductivity is twice than aluminum, it is chosen as the suited material for base.
Created using Powtoon.